we had a windy day.
Yep.
And it's more winter weather on the way.
Yep, a windy day, a windy night, a windy tomorrow.
Windy yesterday, windy
When
day before
will
that. Yeah.
the winds quit? I know, it's just the worst. But we are going to be looking at a quieter end of the work week. But man, you guys, we have mostly cloudy skies, a little drizzle coming down here in downtown Denver, light snowfall closer toward the Palmer Divide. Tough to believe because just a couple of hours ago, we were basking in a little bit of sunshine and some really mild temperatures in the mid-60s. Here in the metro area, some 70s lining up. The far eastern plains, Burlington, Lamar, La Junta, not bad with 40s and 50s up in the mountains. Not the case anymore as that storm system has barreled in. Wow, bringing us some very powerful wind gusts. 40+ mile-per-hour speeds up toward Fort Collins, Fort Morgan as well. Close to it out at DIA and Lyman reporting 48 mile-per-hour wind speeds. No great surprise, the high wind warning will continue for much of the eastern plains for those wind gusts upwards of 60 to 70 miles per hour through about lunchtime tomorrow. I want to show you the wind gust forecast. Here we are about 6 o'clock. The worst of the wind just to the north of the Denver area. We will get a quick blast later this evening, but then by about 10, 11 o'clock, easily 50, 60+ mile-per-hour speeds off to the eastern plains. As we head into early tomorrow morning, the winds back off just a bit here in town, up and down I-25, but still cranking out to the eastern plains and I-70, I-76. By about 7, 8 o'clock, everything starts to quiet down just a bit for us. So we still have several more hours to go. Looking at the satellite and radar, still plenty of snowfall filtering in out to the western slope through the San Juans, the Front Range Mountains as well. And then there's that snowfall into Douglas and Elbert counties riding up against the Palmer Divide. A little bit of light rainfall here for the metro area with some heavier pockets of rain in eastern Adams and Arapahoe counties. Tonight here in town, rain, snow, possibly mixing in some wind, pretty much everything in between. We'll be tracking overnight lows dipping into the mid to upper 20s here for the metro, the eastern plains, more teens, low 20s up through the mountains too. I'll show you the futurecast 6, 7 o'clock. Here we are right about now. We're looking at those rain showers here in Denver, tracking off to the plains. By about 10 p.m., I would say we're pretty much done here in Denver with the heaviest snowfall lining up across the far eastern side of the state. Terrible traveling conditions late tonight into early tomorrow morning. By about 7 a.m., you'll notice the snowfall is done, but the winds will still be going strong. So we have blizzard warnings in place out there just for hazardous travel in conditions where easily we could be looking at about a quarter or mile less visibility. 2, 3 o'clock, still a few lingering snow showers up in the mountains. Might find 1 or 2 here in Denver, and then later tomorrow evening, 11 o'clock, our skies clear. Whole lot of snowfall though coming up through the mountains. Winter weather advisories in place about 4 to 10 for the Front Range Mountains. Vail, Aspen, Snowmass 6 to 12, close to about 4 to 9 in Telluride. 1 to 3 just to the east of I-25. There is that blizzard warning for about 2 to 4 inches of snowfall against the far eastern plains, coupled with 60 to 70 mile-per-hour winds. Partly to mostly cloudy skies still on deck for us tomorrow. Temperatures on the cooler side with highs only in the 40s here for eastern Colorado, 20s and 30s up into the mountains and into the foothills. We do start to warm up. The 50s are back Thursday and Friday, 60s on deck Saturday, possibly a quick shower late Saturday night into Sunday, and then I have 70s on tap early next week. We're back right after this.